This is how I made $500 in my sleep day trading gold. So before I actually start the breakdown of this setup, make sure you guys are tuning in to YouTube because I do call these trades live. So I'm streaming live Aegis session 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on the TGFX page. So that's Monday night to Thursday night. So if you want to catch these moves, tap in. Now starting here on the higher time frame, we can see gold has already been extremely bearish. We had a volume imbalance that opened at the beginning of the week. So with that, we already know it's a lot of sellers present in the market. We continue to see sell side, we get bullish, bearish rejections, get nice bearish order blocks. That's all signals that price action is still bearish based off the macro perspective. Going out to the 1 hour time frame, we just keep it simple for Asia, guys. We just need to see a run of liquidity. So when Asia session opens 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., I want to see a run of a high if I'm looking to sell. I want to see a run of a low if I'm looking to buy. So we get that run of the high here. This is right at 7 p.m. And if I drop down to the M1 time frame, you guys can see same thing here. We get that signature quasi. So we get the left head, right shoulder. So after taking out that liquidity, I'm just watching to see, do we start to get that rollover? We already identified the higher time frame is bearish. We already got the run of liquidity. So last step, we need to see our lower time frames transition. We also get a sell side imbalance print here. Price retested it multiple times. So at this point, I'm just waiting patiently, seeing how the market is going to react from this imbalance. We end up getting a really strong sell off here. So at this point, I thought maybe I had missed the move. So at this point, I was thinking, potentially if price could pull back into this imbalance range. So that entry was here. And then the stop loss was here above that high. That was placed at around 75 ticks here. So we initially get that first drop. That first drop took us to 1 to 1.5. So we took profits as price was coming down here. And if we look at the 1 hour time frame, so from this point, I'm already getting ready for bed. The session is over with. I'm just holding my trade, and then I may wake up in the middle of the night to check it. So money is literally being printed on this sell position. We get a pullback. I'm still holding that trade. And then we can see we continue to sell off. Around this point here, this was that 7 a.m. candle. So this is when I'm waking up, getting my son ready for school, all that. So I'm looking at the trade that I'm still in, still holding it. I've already made money with this trade overnight, close out of my position before the day even started. So we can see we open up New York and just continue that crash. Overall, with the signal called on YouTube, we dropped over 720 pips. So this was a crazy move, guys. And this is overnight. Got in my position, slept, and then woke up to some money. So this was a great trade. Of course, every night won't be a overnight hold. We only may make, a little bit of money, price in our target, then price pulls back, which is cool too. But when you catch these overnight plays, they can make up for the full week if you can take advantage of them. So make sure you guys are tapping into that YouTube. And if you need the link, comment YouTube in the comments and I'll send it to you.